Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to integrate TikTok shop with Printify. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to set up your TikTok shop. You can create a TikTok shop account by going to the seller center, which is at seller.tiktokglobalshop.com, and then choose your region and sign in. Now over here, make sure that you know that it will ask you for your bank account details and also your business information, so make sure to have these correct. And now what you will need to do is to create a Printify account. So go to printify.com and create a free account, and over here you can browse through many different categories. Once you've selected your niche, you have to set up a Shopify store. This is because TikTok shop does not directly integrate with Printify, so you will have to use Shopify as a bridge. And now you'll need to connect your TikTok shop with Shopify. So go to TikTok and log into your TikTok shop account, then set up with your Shopify account. And now you'll need to publish products and start selling. So what you will need to do is to start your designing on Printify, and then you'll publish them on Shopify. Now once they are synced, the products will appear on your TikTok shop as well. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.